Hello, you are watching TorqueKingTv. I'm Matt, your highlight video host. Today, I am showcasing the TK10859, a genuine MP205 low gear. All non-synchronized new process MP205 transfer cases uses two of these gears, one on each output shaft. Synchronized models use just one on the rear output shaft. Not a common part to replace due to its rugged design. However, they are subject to wear over time or with low dirty oil conditions. This high-quality, premium low gear is made in the USA. Wear on the clutch teeth is the most common reason to replace an MP205 low gear. Worn clutch teeth can cause the transfer case to jump out of 4x4 low range under a load. Another place to look for wear is inside the shaft bore. 205s that run with low or dirty oil will often have low gears that have scored or galled bearing bores. If you need help rebuilding your MP205, I highly recommend the TM2000 High Quality Transfer Case Manual. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.